here?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
my mother is a tuition teacher.
Hmm.
So I take class of her children, like they are so small. The tuition children are so small. So I take their online class when they go home.
Hmm.
And with them, I practice the shadow practice. And
Okay.
by teaching them, I
Hmm.
also get to know how to do it. I really admire the way you communicate, and I was so interested in taking class with you.
Okay,
When I
that's
saw your
nice.
video, I
Hmm.
think, ma'am, when I saw your video, it really inspired me.
I teach my son this way that it is we have to touch the tip of the tongue like in the middle of the room. Ta. But when we say ta, see where we are touching the teeth with the tip of the tongue. So that way, if I think teachers teach when they teach
Yes,
the
ma'am.
alphabets like ka, a, e, soti, bari, e, this way, and ka, kha, ga, ga. In Assamese also we get. I think later, I think students will not make this kinds of mistakes.
Yes, ma'am. We have learning this from nursery only, and
Mm.
like you are saying that our teacher also teaches us this way also,
Ah,
like
okay.
like
Mm.
them, how to
They
pronounce it.
how
Some
to
voice
make the
come from
sound, right?
nose,
They taught you.
some
Okay.
voice from nose, some comes from throat, like that.
That's why you don't make mistake. But here children don't get that opportunity. I want to ask more thing. Do they give you not only some students, do they give each and every student how to speak on a mic, that public speaking, how to say something? Does everyone
Ma'am,
get this opportunity? Mm-hmm.
yes, ma'am. And it mainly focus on public speaking, and I
Mm.
get so many chances. Like I get chances to speak on the mic.
Okay.
I
Is
do
it the
debate.
competition? Is it the competition or no? They teach you that how to do public speaking, how to stand, how to hold the mic, how to speak, how to take a pause. Do they teach it or no? Only just you come prepare and you have to participate in the competition. They don't
No,
do this
ma'am.
way,
They
right?
teaches us. They teaches us.
Ah, that's brilliant. Yes, I
They
also
told us.
believe that teachers should at first teach that how to do that because everyone
Ma'am,
doesn't know. Hmm. Yes.
ICSE is famous for that only. They teach us
Hmm.
everything. How to speak, where to take pause. They first teach it for many days, and at the day
Hmm.
of competition, like there are four houses, and each house's teacher tells that how to speak. And when all the children know how to speak, then they select some children who are speaking at the best, and
Hmm.
then there is a competition held among the four houses, and one of the house wins in that. Like we have a
Okay.
debate.
I understand. How are you? Your name is Arpita, right? Arpita.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
My name is.
Okay.
Thank you,
Please.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, my name is.
Like you can go
Yes,
on.
ma'am.
Yes. I just checked that whether I'm recording or not. Yeah. I have started
Okay,
recording.
okay, ma'am. My name is Arpita, and I am a student of grade 8 Chirag Grammar School. And this year, I will be burning 14th candle of my birthday. If you
Yeah.
talk about my hobbies, so I'm passionate in dancing and cooking, and I
Mm.
love cooking very much.
Okay. That's
That's
nice.
all about me.
Okay.
Thank you,
That's
ma'am.
nice. And you speak English very well. I can see
Thank
that.
you, ma'am.
Yeah. That's
Thank you, ma'am.
nice. Shall I also introduce myself or you already know about me?
Ma'am, can you give me a brief introduction?
Sure, sure. So, as you already know, my name is Mosina and I am from Assam. In addition, I'm a homemaker, I'm a tutor, spoken English tutor, and I'm a YouTuber as well. And I have one son and one daughter. And when it comes to my hobbies, I can say that everything is related to English now. However, in my free times, I like spending time with my kids, going for an outing with them, and spending quality time with them. Yes.
Ma'am, I also love doing English practice in my free time. Like, mainly I practice English by shadow practicing and also standing in front of a mirror and talking to myself.
That's nice. That's brilliant. Okay, I can see that your pronunciation and you're speaking fluently and confidently as well. Okay.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
are in you are in 8th standard. Don't you have school today?
No, ma'am, actually, here the
Hmm.
cover breaks are going on.
Oh, okay. How many
So we
days?
are having cover breaks.
For how
Ma'am,
many
it
days?
is till 11th. It is till 11th.
Till 11th. Okay, that's nice. Okay. And for how long have you been learning English? And do you have an environment of speaking English in your school?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My school is a very good English. They give a very good English and speaking environment,
Mm-hmm.
and it is a ICSE school. And mainly, its
Oh,
name is Chirag Grammar. So
mm,
the environment there is of grammar. Its main
okay.
focus is on improving the grammar of the child, and it has a very good environment of English speaking. All
Mm.
my teachers speak very well, so that's why the children there love to speak English.
Okay. So since when have you been speaking English? That
Ma'am,
means
it
when did
is
fluency come? Yeah.
ma'am fluency from sixth or seventh standard, but I
Mm.
have been practicing English from my childhood, and my mother sit with me and she make me practice.
Okay. Your mother
And
also speaks English?
yes, ma'am, my
What?
mother has connected with
Uh-huh.
me with English,
Oh,
so that's
that's
why.
brilliant. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that's nice. What does she do, your mother?
Ma'am, actually, she is a tuition teacher. She teaches students till
Which,
eighth grade.
okay, which subject does she
Yes, ma'am.
teach? Which subject does
Ma'am,
she
she
teach?
ma'am, she teach every subject, but
Okay.
when she was earlier in school, she used to teach SST and English. So
Okay.
that's why her main command is on English.
That's brilliant. Yesterday, I uploaded one video. There, I shared my journey because I was just a homemaker before learning English, and I come from an Assamese medium. I never had any opportunity to learn English when I was in school. In your age, I couldn't even imagine to speak English the way you are speaking. I didn't even think because no one spoke in English at that time, and I studied in a
Yes,
vernacular medium. So, do you feel
yes, ma'am.
fortunate? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am, I feel fortunate because of my mother speaking English. I also learn English, and because of some family backgrounds. Because in my family, all are teacher and all are brilliant in speaking English, and my
Mm.
school background is also like that. So I feel fortunate that when some people don't even know to speak English, so
Mm.
that's I am getting a background of that.
Exactly.
I'm
You are,
getting a opportunity.
yes, you are surrounded with the English language, right? Not only at school, your school, but also at home. And as you have said that your family members or your relatives, most of them are teachers and they do speak English as well. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How did your mother get the motivation to learn English? Did she study in an vernacular medium or English medium as well?
At that time, as the schools were not very good, but my
Not
mother
good.
still studied in a very good school at that time. And
Okay.
it mainly not at the school time, but after the school time, in the teaching
Mm.
time. She learned English
Uh,
there, teaching.
okay. That's nice.
Yes,
So, do
ma'am.
you talk to your mother in English all the time or most of the
Ma'am,
time?
yeah, yes, ma'am, I most of the time with talk with English with
Hmm.
my mother,
Hmm.
as when we speak in family, it improves our English speaking skills
That's true. Because
because
we spend time
English.
more, right, with them.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
I also do the
Ma'am,
same. Mm-hmm.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because English comes from listening. When we
Hmm.
listen, like from listening English movies or mostly English newses, like reading English newspapers, like
Hmm.
that.
Do you read
So I
newspaper?
mostly, yes, ma'am, sometimes of English.
Which one do you read? The Hindu? Okay.
Ma'am, it's the that jargon. It's the Times
Oh,
of India.
Times of
Times of
India.
India.
Okay, that's
Yes.
nice. I think I can assume that you are studious too. Do you like studying subjects like your
Yes,
books, school books?
yes, ma'am, I like studying. And my favorite subject is English literature because I love reading to stories. The
Uh,
stories are so interesting.
that's
They are
brilliant.
different types.
Yeah, I can understand. I can see that enthusiasm in yourself, that you are very enthusiastic to learn English. And you messaged me, you sent me an email. Last time we couldn't connect because you didn't understand the timing. That's why. After that, my children had summer vacation. Summer vacation was going on in July. So every Saturday and Sunday, because Monday to Friday you go to school, right? And Friday or maybe Monday to Saturday also you go to school, so that is why I thought that maybe she is busy, she is going to school. But Saturday and Sunday, somewhere the other, we are going for an outing. That's why I was not free. Okay, that's
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yeah, I'm
Ma'am,
feeling
I
happy.
really admire. Ma'am,
Hmm.
I really admire the way you communicate, and I was so interested in taking class with you.
Okay,
When I
that's
saw your
nice.
video, I
Hmm.
think, ma'am, when I saw your video, I it really inspired me.
And I want to ask you, as you have said about shadowing practice, to whom you shadow and how do you shadow? Because many people are there, they also want to do this shadowing practice, but they don't know how to do. Would you please share?
Ma'am,
Mm.
my mother is a tuition teacher.
Mm.
So I take class of her children, like they are so small. The tuition children are so small. So I take their online class when they go home.
Mm.
And with them, I practice the shadow practice. And
Okay.
by teaching them, I
Mm.
also get to know how to do it.
Okay, how do you do that? Shadow means what?
Ma'am,
When we listen to someone and we try to imitate them, isn't it?
yes, ma'am, shadow. I think it's of a picture. And when we
Mm.
describe the picture, it's like that, shadow
Oh,
practicing.
that was that one you are talking about shadow practice. When you see one picture and describe. I was thinking that when we do shadowing practice, for example, we listen to Priyanka Chopra and we shadow her. That means we
Then we
imitate.
try to speak their voice. That
Yes.
is also
Have
shadow
you ever, yeah,
practicing.
have you ever done that? Listening to
Yes, ma'am,
someone and
I enjoy.
imitating? Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am, I enjoy doing that. Like the British English is so good, the
Mm-hmm.
way they speak.
Okay, you like
So
British
I do.
accent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I love their accent, and their accent is so modern type. So I love doing shadowing practice of the British accent.
Okay. Can you say one sentence like them?
Right now I didn't remember because when I see them, then
And
I do that.
automatically. Yeah.
Yes,
How is your daughter? This, how is your daughter? They don't say how is your daughter? How is your daughter? And one is glottal sound. They don't pronounce bottle. They say bottle. Bottle. Can you bottle of water? Bottle of water. I also
I love
practiced.
the way you speak it. I love the way you speak it. You're so good at that accent.
Thank you. But recently I have started watching. Initially, I was also like that. I liked British people and I started practicing not just to get their accent. However, I thought that, okay, just listen to them. But later I realized they don't pronounce raw sound. And we Indian people say raw sound, right? So I had the
Yes,
habit of saying this, but they don't say but, they say but. And then I started thinking, no, no, I think I should not say that way, and I started stopping following them. But I learned these things. Ball of
yes,
it is very funny.
ma'am, since it is my first class with you, can
Mhm.
you tell me how can I improve my English?
I think you have already mentioned the best thing, that listening, right? That how we have learned our mother tongue by listening to our parents, then from our environment, we listen to our relatives, neighbors, and then we start imitating them. The same way,
Yes,
if we want to improve our English, we must listen to English. Now you can watch any content that you like to watch. So, what do you
okay,
usually
ma'am.
watch and you listen to?
Ma'am, I usually listen to English stories, the new
Okay,
and
that's
big
nice.
stories for big children. And ma'am, I also watched Harry Potter movie in English. Like that,
Mm.
I love watching movies.
So, do you watch every day?
No, ma'am, when I
Every day
get
you don't
time,
get
that
time, right? Every day you don't get time. Okay. So, when
ma'am,
you, yes, yes,
ma'am, because
please.
I have to manage my story, because I have to manage my studies. That's why.
Yes, yes. Saturday, Sunday, you can watch more. Or I think every day,
Yes,
if you can watch only 15 minutes, you try to watch, because taking break is not good. You can watch for 15 minutes to hardly half an hour. I think that time you can manage if you are very enthusiastic to learn. And when you watch,
yes,
try to observe. Watch with 100% attention. Active listening,
yes,
active watching is more important than passive. It doesn't help that much. And try to learn some phrases as well. Try to observe how do they pronounce words, intonation,
ma'am,
rhythm. It
like
comes. Yes, yes,
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like when we watch movies, we get to know new idioms. They use
yes.
very new idioms, and they have a super meaning.
Exactly. I don't prefer using a lot of idioms. I prefer learning day to day vocabulary, sentences, phrases at first, or some kinds of phrasal verbs. If you use more phrasal verbs, for example, take off, put on, turn off, figure out, they use a lot, right? Yes, idioms are
Yes,
not that much necessary in initial stage. At first, we should become more fluent, more confident, accurate in our grammar as well. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
once you see, yes, please, you want to
Ma'am,
ask?
but in my point, I think first is vocabulary
Hmm.
and grammar comes next. The
Hmm.
first thing is when we speak,
Hmm.
because like a child speaking in Hindi
Hmm.
from his younger self only, and he didn't know how to speak Hindi language.
Exactly.
So like that in English also,
Hmm.
first we have to speak instead of just looking at the grammar. If we
Exactly.
will keep on practicing grammar,
Hmm.
then it is too difficult. But if we speak without
Hmm.
even thinking that we are making mistakes, so
Hmm.
that will also help us,
Yeah,
because
that's why.
mistakes.
That's true. And that's why we should watch content. I have never asked anyone that you read grammar book and memorize. I always prefer that if you start watching more and more, automatically you will learn how to say. For example, you will never see that people are saying he don't know. They will say he doesn't know. Right? We make mistakes. We don't do mistake. So automatically we learn grammar. It depends on the person to person, that how much you are able to observe and how much you pay attention while listening. So I prefer these two more: listen,
Yeah.
speak, listen, speak. But if you don't have environment, in your case, see, you have good environment, your mother speaks to you in English, your teachers, you listen to your teachers speaking in English, so automatically your grammar improves, sentence also improves. But in some people, they don't have environment, so for them I suggest that you can learn tenses. I did that and it has helped me tremendously, I'm telling you, because I didn't have environment, my mother couldn't speak to me in English. Yes, you want to say something?
Ma'am,
Yes,
the tenses are so good. If we make a table of them and speaks with that help of table, then we will
exactly.
speak it too. Because
Totally.
tenses have the most important part in English.
In English, because we have to mention the timing. For example, if I say I go to the market yesterday, so it becomes wrong. Or one day I watched one video. In that video, one person said, I had been working in this company, XYZ company. Then the other person said, okay, what happened? Are you
Yes,
not
ma'am.
working now? Then he said, no, I'm still working. Then when he said, I had been working XYZ company, then the other person said, maybe he is not working or he got fired from that company. Then we should say, I have been working, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Meaning of
meaning
the
changes.
sentence.
Changes, yes. Meaning of the sentence changes. However, in terms of this one, for example, he don't know, instead of he doesn't know, it is acceptable or we can understand for the beginners. But one thing I have noticed among many learners, and it happened to me as well, when we learn incorrect things, it becomes very difficult to relearn, unlearn, and relearn. So it is my belief that it is good to have the concept. For example, how to use doesn't, how to use don't, or everyone has or everyone have. There is nothing wrong to learn it, but don't think much while speaking. And if you have
Yes,
someone who can give you feedback, who can correct you that this is wrong. For example, if you say everyone have, then if I tell you that Arpita, it should be everyone has. So if you take it seriously, next time you will remember, okay, ma'am told me that it should be everyone has, not have. And after even knowing it happened to me, I am giving from my own example. For example, when my tutor would tell me that Mosina, it is wrong, after even knowing, as I had the habit of saying incorrectly, it came to my mind, I automatically said the incorrect. Then I realized, oh, I should have said everyone has, not everyone have. Then instantly I corrected myself, and it then, after
ma'am.
some period of time, I started using the correct one. So people who
Yes,
have environment, they don't need to learn grammar at all. I see my daughter, she makes mistakes. Okay, while speaking, she says that my teacher told that you should study, you should have, but we cannot say my teachers told that, isn't it? We have to use
yes,
an
ma'am.
object. My teachers told me. Or if she talks about
Yes.
one teacher, my teacher told me. But I don't correct her at this age. She is only 8 years old.
Yeah, ma'am. If she's speaking this much, also it's a very good part.
She speaks fluent English with some
Yes,
grammar
ma'am.
mistakes. I don't correct her, but I correct my son. He's in seventh standard now. So if he makes
Okay.
mistakes, then I think no, now he has grown up. He's 13 now. So I should tell him that this is wrong, this is right. Right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, what habits have you developed that help you become a better person you are today?
I can say that I try to spend quality time most of the days or every day. Earlier, I thought, what should I do? I didn't have anything that I should do every day. I developed one habit that is reading books too. But these days, I'm not focusing that much. I have read Atomic Habits. I have read You Can Win by Shiv Khera. I have read The Power of Subconscious Mind. I started buying books. That habit I didn't have at all when I was in school or college days. I developed that good quality of reading books. Then I started reading. One day my son was asking me some days ago that, Mama, where do you get the motivation to keep learning? Because it never ends. I feel like just keep learning. But sometimes I feel exhausted, then I stop and then I just go to bed. It will never end.
Yeah, ma'am.
So these are the changes I have seen in myself, that I have become more determined, dedicated to learn, and I feel very happy. Okay, I want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
ask you one question. That which subject, you said that English, right? How many hours do you study every day, and what is the importance of studies? Because I see that these days it is very difficult to have that attention because mobile phone is there. How do you, yeah, motivate yourself?
Yeah, ma'am. Because of that social media, the children are not getting enough time to studies, and they are not concentrating. And ma'am, like I also use social media for my education purpose. Like
Mm-hmm.
I use chat GPTs only sometime because my father, I study math from my father and English from my mother. And ma'am, if you talk about how many hours I spend, so as when it's our favorite subject, we use less hours in that because we are good at that
Good at
subject.
that subject.
So
Hmm.
yes, ma'am. In English, I use half an hour or more than 1 hour. When it's my exam, I study it for the whole day. But in the normal days, I study it for half or 1 hour. I
Okay.
take more time on maths subject.
Math subject. Okay.
Yeah.
What does your father do? Does he teach English in schools, or what does he do?
Ma'am,
What is his profession?
ma'am, he's a mathematics lecturer.
Lecturer. Okay. You are very fortunate, right? Your father can teach you maths and your mother teaches English and she speaks to you. Does your father also speak to you in English? Yes,
Yeah,
right?
ma'am.
Yes. Oh, that's
Yes, ma'am.
brilliant. That's nice. Okay, I want to ask you that ICSC board, I have heard that it is very challenging and you get a lot of pressure. Do you think so? Is it pressure?
Ma'am, not like pressure when I'm studying in it from my childhood. So I
Mm-hmm.
don't feel like it is pressure. But if a child in other boards immediately come in ICSC, so maybe he feels because in other schools we get a break after one exam, we get preparing time. But in ICSC board we get the exams continuously. So it is not
Okay.
like pressure. As in
Mm-hmm.
ICSE, we have very good teachers. They made us understand the subject very well. So
Very
we don't
well.
feel like pressure. Yes, ma'am.
Mm-mm. You don't need to study that much at home, right? Your concept gets
Yeah, ma'am.
cleared at school itself. Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. And also, ma'am, we don't like tuitions. I never go to tuition because of my school background is that much good. And my mother and father are, they also are teaching. So I don't go to
Yeah,
tuition. Yeah,
that's
ma'am.
that's true. How many subjects do you have?
Ma'am, I have 12 subjects. Ma'am,
12 subjects, okay. How do you
yes, ma'am.
manage? Okay. You are separating English and English grammar separately?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have science from second or first only.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. Yeah, here
And ma'am,
as well. Mm-hmm.
yes,
Do
ma'am.
do they take English main book subject exam differently and then English grammar separately? Do they take that way?
Yes,
Okay, and
yes,
Hindi.
ma'am. English literature separately and language separately. Like in language, we have tenses, grammar portion, and in literature, we have the stories, the
Yes, yes.
passage. Like that.
Passage, poems. What about
Yes,
other
ma'am.
languages? How many languages do you learn? English, Hindi, right? Subject
Ma'am,
I'm talking
English,
about.
Hindi, and
Huh.
Sanskrit. Sanskrit also.
Okay. I want to ask you
There
one
is a
thing. Do you find it difficult to learn Hindi? Do you make mistakes in spellings in Hindi or Sanskrit? I know that in English you are perfect. It happens to
Ma'am, like,
mm,
yes, ma'am. Like I don't feel very much, I don't feel very much pressured in Hindi because like it is my mother tongue,
mm,
but also in spellings because spellings
okay.
are tough in Hindi. And ma'am, Sanskrit I have learned from sixth only. So I have learned small words in Sanskrit as it is a school subject, like a school subject, not like a hobby.
You don't
And
need
it
to
is a
okay, okay. You don't
no
need to
ma'am, it
write the
is a
long
school subject.
answers. Okay.
No, ma'am, not right now because in eighth they don't give us long answers. They only give us like changing the sentence from Hindi into Sanskrit and
Into
from
sense.
Sanskrit into Hindi, the word
Translation.
meanings and like that. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why I'm asking, because my son makes spelling mistakes here in Assamese and Hindi. So here students get except English, Hindi and Assamese, because Assamese is our mother tongue. That's why. And he makes mistakes in Assamese language and Hindi as well. He gets confused when it comes to ta and ta, da, the. So don't you get
Yes.
confused? How do you learn it so that I can also apply
Ma'am,
that? Mm.
Ma'am, we don't have like these language. We only have to learn question answers in it. Like in Hindi
Mm.
language, we have Kriya, Samas, and there are a lot of Vyakaran portion in our
Mm.
syllabus. There are different types of rules in it, so confusion is very much, but not
Mm.
that much because our teachers make us understand it very well. And
Understood,
in
understood. Hmm.
yes, ma'am. In Hindi also there are two portions, Hindi
Hmm.
language and Hindi literature. In
Hmm.
Hindi literature, we only have to learn the
Poems.
shabdas and question
Okay.
answers. Yes.
Uh-huh.
And
Okay.
in language, we have a grammar portion.
Okay. Did your teacher make you understand when you were maybe early age, like class one standard, when you got first time Hindi, that how to produce the sound? Like, see, I struggled making sound ja, jungle, okay, jungle or journey. I didn't understand that how to produce the sound. When I started talking to people and tutors, they told me that Mosina, you are not saying journey, you are saying journey. Okay, because our teachers didn't teach us how to produce sounds. So we have in Assamese also like Borgia ja, Antastia ja, that way, separate sound like ja. But we didn't know how to place the tongue and lips and all. So I didn't understand the difference. And later I started learning it. Yes, please.
Like it is our mother tongue, so we
Hmm.
don't have to struggle more because we are listening to Hindi from our childhood only.
Hmm.
And we have Hindi subject from nursery or play class only. So before English, we have learned Hindi first.
But my son
So
also
we
has
don't.
been speaking Assamese since his childhood, but he gets confused. And as I also spoke in my mother tongue, so those two sounds were there, but I couldn't differentiate. Later, I learned it that we should how to pronounce, how to produce the sound ja. So we have to touch that middle of the tongue with the roof, and we say zoo. Then tip of the tongue. Same way, where I teach my son this way that it is ta. We have to touch that tip of the tongue like in the middle of the roof. Ta. But when we say ta, see where we are touching the teeth with the tip of the tongue. So that way, if I think teachers teach when they teach the
Yes, ma'am.
alphabets like a, kok, a, e, soti, bari, e, this way, and ka, kha, ga, ga. In Assamese also we get. I think later, I think students will not make this kinds of mistakes.
Yes, ma'am. We have learning this from nursery only, and
Hmm.
like you are saying that our teacher also teaches us this way also,
Ah,
like
okay.
like them, how to
They
pronounce it.
how
Some
to
voice
make the
come from
sound, right?
nose,
They taught you.
some
Okay.
voice from nose, some comes from throat, like that.
That's why you don't make mistake. But here children don't get that opportunity. Teachers don't teach that way. Yeah, okay. That is why I have heard about ICSC board, but we don't have that board here. Maybe it is there in Guwahati because I live in a town. Here we have CBSC board and a state board. Here my children study in SEBA board, State Education Board of Assam. So they get NCRT books till I think 8th standard. After that, they get that Assam Educational Board, Council Board books similar to the government books. Yeah.
Have these two. We also have the CBSE and state board here. But here is one more board, ICSC.
ICSE that you study, and that is the toughest one I have heard from many people.
Yes,
ICSE.
ma'am.
But they teach very well. That's why students who are very curious to learn, they become better. They don't struggle, right?
Ma'am, because in ICSC, the children who are studying from beginning only, they
Mm.
don't find it more tough
Yeah, that's
because it
true.
is.
That's
Yes,
true.
ma'am.
But have you ever seen among your friends that they complain, oh my God, I don't want to study this much. I want to play, I want to dance, I want to do other activities, or don't
Ma'am,
they say? Mm-hmm.
we get time in ICSE. It is not like that much tough that we have to strain our eyes in the books, but we get
Mm.
time for all the activities. Even in
Activities.
school, even in our
Ah.
school, there are clubs like dance club, English speaking club, scientific clubs, like
Mm.
that. They are on
Brilliant.
Saturday to Saturday, and I participated in English debate club. So we get time.
I want to ask one more thing. Do they give you, not only you, not only some students, do they give each and every student how to speak on a mic, that public speaking, how to say something? Does everyone get this opportunity? Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. And it mainly focus on public speaking, and I
Mm.
get so many chances. Like I get chances to, and I get chances to speak on the mic.
Okay.
I
Is
do
it the
debate.
competition? Is it the competition or no? They teach you that how to do public speaking, how to stand, how to hold the mic, how to speak, how to take a pause. Do they teach it or no? Only just you come prepare and you have to participate in the competition. They don't
No,
do this
ma'am.
way,
They
right?
teaches us. They teaches us.
Ah, that's brilliant. Yes, I
They
also
teaches us.
believe that teachers should at first teach that how to do that because everyone
Ma'am,
doesn't know. Yes.
ICSE is famous for that only. They teaches
Hmm.
everything. How to speak, where to take pause. They first teach it for many days, and at the day
Mm.
of competition, like there are four houses, and each house's teacher tells that how to speak. And when all the children know how to speak, then they select some children who are speaking at the best, and
Mm-hmm.
then there is a competition held among the four houses, and one of the house wins in that. Like we have a
Okay.
debate.
I understand.
Yes, ma'am.
I feel like talking to you continuously. Okay, but our time is going to end. So I have to wind up now. Okay, but it was really, really amazing session with you. I loved talking to you, Arpita.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I also enjoyed talking with you. I get to know the British accent. I loved the way you speak it,
Okay.
really.
Okay. Thank you. Thank
And
you
ma'am,
so
I
much.
also love that you also inspired me to speak English.
You speak very well. You speak very fluently, confidently, and your accent is also nice. Keep practicing. You will become much, much better, and you will flourish in
Okay.
the future. Okay, and we'll meet one more day. Bye bye. Bye.
Sure.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am, for
Thank you.
taking the session with me.